Welcome back to Silicophilic. Have you ever wondered why your friend gets a new Windows 11 feature but your PC doesn't? Or why some updates break computers while others seem perfectly fine? Well, today we are talking about a major change Microsoft is quietly making behind the scenes. And if it works, it would completely change the way Windows updates are delivered forever. The Windows Update problem. Share Windows Update screen? Let's be honest. Windows updates haven't exactly had the best reputation lately. One update fixes a problem, the next one creates 3 more. Sometimes printer stops working, sometimes games break, sometimes PCs refuse to boot properly. And because Windows runs on millions of different hardware combinations, one bad update can affect thousands of users overnight. For years, Microsoft has faced the same challenge. How do you update over a billion devices without breaking them? Now they think they have found the answer. What is CFR? The solution is something called Control Feature Rollout or simply CFR. Instead of releasing a new feature to everyone at once, Microsoft now releases it gradually. Think of it like opening a faucet, not full blast, just a small trickle. If everything works properly, the flow increases and eventually everyone gets the feature. Now, here you can see 2 windows with 2 different types of start menus. One has this new start menu, one doesn't. Let's say Microsoft creates a brand new start menu. Under the old system, everyone would get it at the same time. If something went wrong, millions of users could be affected. With CFR, Microsoft starts with a small group of compatible devices. They monitor performance, watch for crashes, track compatibility issues, and only after the feature proves stable, they expand the rollout. That's why some users already have the new start menu while others are still waiting. It's not a bug, it's actually part of the plan. Check your Windows version. Before we do anything else, let's check which version of Windows you are running. Press Windows key plus R. Type this, then press Enter. You should see your Windows version displayed. If you are running Windows 11 version 24H2 or later, you are already receiving updates through Microsoft's modern rollout system. Future builds like 25H2 will continue expanding these CFR features. Now let's make sure your PC is configured to receive the newest features as soon as Microsoft approves them for your device. Open Settings, click Windows Update. You will see several update options here. This is where most people stop. But there is one setting that matters more than anything else. Turn on the toggle for Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. This tells Microsoft when a feature has passed validation for my device, send it to me as early as possible. Without this enabled, your PC may receive features much later. Next, click Check for updates. Windows will search Microsoft's server for feature updates, security updates, CFR delivered improvements, optional enhancements. If your device has been approved for a new feature, this is often when you will receive it. Install optional preview updates. If you want access to new features even earlier, go into the advanced options, then optional updates. Here you will occasionally see preview updates. These updates often contain upcoming Windows features before they reach everyone else. If you are comfortable testing new features, you can install them here. Just remember, preview updates may contain bugs. Join the Insider program. If you want to experience Microsoft's newest features before almost everyone else, you can join the Windows Insider program. Go back to Windows Update, click Windows Insider program, choose a channel, release preview, the most stable one, beta channel, dev channel, least stable. For most users, release preview is the safest choice. Why Microsoft is doing this? Microsoft recently said they want Windows updates to become more predictable, easier to plan around, less disruptive, and honestly, that's exactly what users have been asking for. Nobody likes installing an update and wondering what might break next. By validating features before mass deployment, Microsoft hopes to reduce those risks significantly. It's not just new features what this means for you. Here is where things get even more interesting. Microsoft says CFR won't just be used for new features, it can also be used for bug fixes, improvements, system enhancements, reliability updates. That means future fixes may arrive gradually as well. Microsoft can monitor how those fixes behave in real-world environments before expanding deployment. For everyday users, this means a few important changes. First, don't panic if someone has a Windows feature that you don't. That means your PC is not broken. It may simply mean the feature hasn't reached your device yet. Second, future releases may feel slower, but hopefully they also feel much safer. And third, we should see fewer situations where a problematic update impacts everyone simultaneously. Will this actually fix Windows Update? Now here is the big question. Will CFR solve all Windows Update problems? Probably not. No operating system is perfect. Windows has bugs. Mac OS has bugs. Linux has bugs. Android has bugs too. The difference is how quickly those problems can be detected and contained, and that's where CFR could make a huge difference. Instead of affecting millions of devices immediately, problems can be identified much earlier in the rollout process. Over the last few months, Microsoft has been making a lot of promises: more customization, better start menu controls, smaller taskbars, improved search, new accessibility features, and now more controlled update delivery. For the first time in a while, it looks like Microsoft is trying to make Windows 11 feel less disruptive, and honestly, that's exactly what many users have been asking for. Control feature rollout may not be the most exciting Windows feature ever announced. You won't see flashy animations, you won't get a brand new button, but if it prevents broken updates, reduces bugs, and makes Windows more reliable, it could end up being one of the most important changes Microsoft has made in years. So do you think CFR will finally fix Windows Update? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video was helpful, leave a like, subscribe to Silicophilic. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.